What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about a project management system that I use within my business, and not just the software, but overall like how to structure it from like a team lead and a responsibility standpoint. This can go for somebody, whether you're a freelancer and you have you're wanting to move to an agency and you're starting to hire like other people onto your team to fulfill the work and actually moving to like a real agency standpoint. Or if you're an agency and you're trying to learn like the right ways to go about things. This is just my example. This works for myself. This is the principle that I learned from working for the large agency where, you know, we worked on clients at the Golden State Warriors and a team of like 50 people. I managed a team of 10 virtual assistants of that, and this is like the overall principles that I've seen to work, and it works in my agency. So this is the principles that is called RACI, and it's broken down into responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. So responsible is the person who is responsible for doing the work. So say that you bring in a lead and it's a Facebook client, and you have a team of people and you have a Facebook guy. And so the Facebook guy is responsible for running that client, then they are the responsible one in that project. So we set everything up in Basecamp. And so we put all of the people who are each role inside of our Basecamp. So the freelancer that's doing the work would be responsible. That's the person who's in charge of actually doing the task. And then accountable is the person that is responsible for the work. So this is like your team lead, for instance. This is the person who's in charge of the project. The person who, if the responsible person doesn't do it right, they come into emergency save. That is a person there. So they're in charge of making sure the person responsible gets the work done, because it's essentially, you know, their ass that gets chewed out if they don't do it right. So then consulted is someone who's not directly involved within the project, but they know about the project. They might look over it, making sure that, you know, the responsible and consulted are doing their things right. They just need to know what's going on. And so they're basically the third in line for that project to make sure things get done, right? And then informed is somebody who is, normally it's the owner. So like for my instance, myself and Matt are always informed on each project to make sure it's going well. And so we aren't in the like day-to-day of doing the task. We just delegate out the work and make sure that it gets done. So, you know, informed can be us. Informed is the client, because, you know, they're informed of the work that's being done. You're providing it to them. That's how we structure our teams, and teams of 4. And yeah, guys, so let me know if you guys see value. This is just how we structure things. And we have a proven model. We know that it works good. So if you have another way of structuring it, feel free to leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear it. You know, if you guys go and take this principle, RACI, and apply it to your business and you see success, I'd love to hear about it. Just come back to the video, throw it in the comments. But you guys, so this is the end of the video, but you know, if you've been around here for a long time, that I have a vlog at the end of each of these value videos. So stick around if you want to. If not, feel free to click off. But be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you can see whenever I post. I post about once a week, sometimes twice. Everything about social media marketing and online business. This has been Elliot Drake. I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up, boys? So we're heading out. Hey, let him see the Facebook ad accelerator on the back. I haven't shown it. Oh man, look at those pants though. I'm telling you, that outfit does not go.
Looks good. Elliot, dude, it's your last day in New Hampshire. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm ready because we're about to move. So.
Is that okay?
That's so big, I can't even put my shoes on when I'm behind him. Goodness gracious. What's up with that? Alrighty, so I'm heading out. I'm leaving the team. Well, this is some of the team. We have more, but yeah, Alex, Nick, later, boys. See ya. We out of here.
Want to be time to get kicked out.
Until Tampa. Soccer. Come on. So what's up to the vlog? So it's the next day, and I'm already in Indiana. I'm here with Caitlin, my photographer, my camera girl. We're about to go to the circle and take some pictures, meet up with some people, and yeah. So this is probably gonna be the end of my vlog. I will see you guys whenever. I don't even know, honestly, but make sure if you like this video, hit subscribe, turn on notifications. Really appreciate it if you did. Stay tuned for the next videos, and yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.